In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets to your desktop. If you've ever found yourself needing to work offline, or simply wanting to store a digital copy of your spreadsheet on your computer, this guide has you covered. Let's dive in and go through the straightforward steps one by one. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Google Sheet that you're intending to download. You can easily do this by accessing your Google Drive, or navigating directly to the Sheet's URL if you have it. Once you've located your document and it's displayed on your screen, we're ready to move on to the next step. Next, look towards the top of your screen, and you'll find the File option in the menu. Go ahead and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your document. Now, gently hover over the Download option in this menu. You should see another submenu appear. This is where we'll select the format you wish your file to be in once it's downloaded to your computer. In the submenu, you'll find several file format options to choose from. Depending on what you need, you might decide to download your Google Sheet as a Microsoft Excel file, selecting the XLSX option if you're planning to use it with Excel. Alternatively, if you need a non-editable version suitable for sharing or printing, a PDF document might be more fitting for your purpose. Once you have made your choice, go ahead and click the desired format. Your computer will begin downloading the file. It's important to note that the file will be saved in your computer's default download location. For most people, this is typically the Downloads folder. However, if you've changed your default location, look there instead. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded your Google Sheet to your desktop. You can now access it anytime, even without an internet connection. This is incredibly useful for working on the go or saving important data to ensure it's always at hand. I hope you found this guide helpful and that downloading your Google Sheets now feels like a breeze. With practice, this will become a quick and routine task. As always, be sure to back up any important documents regularly to prevent data loss. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet managing.